China is the world's second largest economy after the United States and has experienced rapid growth over the past few decades. Since the economic reforms of the late 1970s, China has transformed itself from a centrally planned economy to a market-oriented one. The Chinese government has implemented policies that have encouraged private enterprise, foreign investment, and trade, leading to an impressive economic performance. Economic growth and development. China has experienced tremendous economic growth over the past few decades. The country's GDP grew at an average annual rate of 10.2% between 1980 and 2019. In 2019, China's GDP was approximately $14.3 trillion, making it the second largest economy in the world. China's economic growth has been driven by several factors, including investment in infrastructure, human capital, and technology. The country has invested heavily in building roads, airports, ports, and other infrastructure to support its economic growth. Additionally, the government has encouraged investment in education and skills development to increase human capital, which has been critical in driving technological innovation. China's economic development has also been fueled by its large and growing domestic market. With a population of over 1.4 billion, China is the world's most populous country. As China's middle class has grown, so has its demand for consumer goods and services. This has driven domestic consumption and created opportunities for businesses both within and outside of China. Foreign trade and investment. China's economy is highly integrated into the global economy. The country is the world's largest exporter of goods, with exports totaling $2.5 trillion in 2019. China's main export partners include the United States, European Union, and ASEAN countries. Foreign investment has played a significant role in China's economic development. The country has attracted substantial foreign investment, particularly in the manufacturing sector. Many multinational corporations have established production facilities in China to take advantage of its low labor costs and large domestic market. The Chinese government has implemented policies to encourage foreign investment, including tax incentives, streamlined administrative procedures, and the creation of special economic zones. These policies have made China an attractive destination for foreign investment and have helped to support its economic growth. Financial system. China's financial system has undergone significant changes over the past few decades. In the past, the country's financial system was dominated by state-owned banks, which provided financing to state-owned enterprises. However, over the past few decades, China has developed a more diverse financial system that includes commercial banks, securities firms, and insurance companies. China's financial system is still heavily regulated by the government, which has implemented policies to support economic growth and stability. The government has used its control over the financial system to direct credit towards strategic sectors, such as infrastructure and high-tech industries. Challenges and reforms. Despite its impressive economic performance, China faces several challenges. One of the most significant challenges is the country's aging population. China's one-child policy, which was in effect from 1979 to 2015, has resulted in a rapidly aging population. This demographic shift will put pressure on the country's social security system and could slow down economic growth. Another challenge facing China is its environmental sustainability. The country's rapid economic growth has come at a significant cost to the environment. China is the world's largest emitter of greenhouse gases and has struggled with air pollution, water pollution, and other environmental issues. The Chinese government has implemented policies to address these challenges, including investing in renewable energy, promoting green industries, and tightening environmental regulations. The Chinese government has also implemented economic reforms to address challenges such as income inequality and financial risk. In recent years, the government has implemented policies to support small and medium-sized enterprises, promote innovation, and reduce the role of state-owned. In conclusion, China's economy has undergone significant transformations in the past few decades, leading to impressive growth and development. Despite challenges such as an aging population and environmental sustainability, the Chinese government has implemented policies to address these issues and promote long-term economic stability. As China continues to play a major role in the global economy, its economic performance will be closely watched and analyzed by economists and policymakers around the world.